Hey, Brock here with another video, and today I'm in Hudson, Ohio at Oak and Embers Tavern, known for their smoked barbecue, bourbon, and beer. So let's go have a bite. I ventured out to Hudson, Ohio to Oak and Embers Tavern, located on Darrow Road. A great barbecue joint that serves delicious smoked meats and refreshing bourbon and beer that has a signature taste to this place. The look and feel of the atmosphere is like that of a rustic family restaurant with a rural flair. When going inside, one can either seat themselves in a number of places, such as a booth, a table, the bar, or the outside patio. The menu has plenty of options such as salads, shrimp, meatloaf, sandwiches, burgers, and barbecue that melts in your mouth, such as ribs, brisket, pulled pork, and smoked chicken. The drink menu also offers a wide variety such as martinis, spiked lemonade and teas, as well as margaritas, beers, and bourbons at the bar or on tap. Hey fans, how you doing? And I'm at Oak and Embers, and I got the two meat combo. So I got the pulled pork and the ribs, as you can see here. And I'm about to try them out. You get a slice of cornbread with it, every combo meal. And I got the cheesy potatoes and the baked beans. So I'm gonna try the pulled pork. Nice, soft, juicy, and flavorful. Juicy and tender, not dry. It's not dry, so anything that you have, whenever you have barbecue, you don't want dry barbecue. It needs to be moist, but also, marinated, smoked to perfection, and have that sauce to complement it. The sauce is more for the taste than just for moisture, but you want to have that moist meat with the flavor of the barbecue sauce. Really good. I definitely recommend it. I've been here a couple of times. I do recommend the ribs, the pulled pork. The brisket's good. I prefer chopped brisket, but they also have sliced brisket, which I also like as well, but I prefer chopped. These are the cheesy potatoes, which is really good. And this is enough food to fill one person to take home. So they are really great with the portions. And, to give you a closer look, this is kind of like what you're looking at here. So that's the pulled pork, and then you got your ribs too, like that. Like, look at that. It's like made to perfection, to the bone. I mean, I pulled it off, and it's like meat falls off the bone. I definitely recommend this place. It's in Hudson. If you live on the east side, it's worth going to. They have one in Chesterland as well, which I also recommend. It's a little different, but in atmosphere, but it's technically the same food. I used to work out here, so definitely would come out here after like a long shift and get some nice barbecue and booze. And yeah, the ribs are great. They're one of my favorite things to get. I also recommend the pulled pork nachos. You get plenty. It's seen as an appetizer, but I also recommend that. So, and I got my favorite drink here, the blackberry lemonade. It's definitely worth getting. It gets me a little tipsy, but it's my favorite drink to get here at Oak and Embers, and I definitely recommend coming here to Hudson and getting Oak and Embers barbecue. If you're passing through, stopping by, visiting family, whatever, it's definitely worth it. The meat is so tender, it just kind of melts in your mouth, and it's just easy to swallow, and it's like a taste festival, really. So during the summer, yeah, it's one of my favorite stops to make. I found the food to be satisfying and the meat to be soft and tender to the bone. Smoked so well that it melts in your mouth, and is not only some of the best barbecue, but also one of the best local places for comfort food I've ever had. The blackberry lemonade I've had multiple times here, and is my go-to drink of choice when I visit here. With its fruity strawberry and basil lemonade flavors, with a kick of Jim Beam bourbon, which is ideal in the summer. Other dishes I recommend are the pulled pork nachos, the chicken and waffles, and the sliced brisket, which are all delicious and exceptional dishes. Oak and Embers is an ideal place for any variety of events, such as a birthday, graduation dinner, retirement celebration, offering plenty of seating inside and outside, so you won't have to wait long for a table. There are many places for big gatherings, such as the back dining room or the windowed indoor patio. My final review of this place is an 8 out of 10, as it has its own signature barbecue taste, and the service is attentive whenever I visit. My only issues are that it could have more of an atmosphere or theme, with more decor on the walls, and the food is priced a bit on the high side. Oak and Embers is a gem and a fine place to get proper barbecue in Northeast Ohio. If you are looking for some entertainment or have some extra time on your hands, you can go to downtown Hudson to do some shopping at the First and Main Shopping District. There are many local and small business shops such as floral, tea, and clothing shops. Also multiple restaurants and an ice cream store. One of my favorite places to visit in downtown Hudson is the Learned Owl Bookshop, where you can get lost wandering through the various genres of books for all ages, and has a small town cozy and comfortable feel to it. From children's books to fantasy, how-tos, self-help, romance, and mysteries, the Learned Owl has it all. And if they don't have the edition or title you are looking for, they can order it for you for pickup or delivery, and is one of my favorite bookshops in the area. I'm Brock, and that concludes this episode of Off the Road Eats. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. Set those notifications so you get updated for any shorts or videos coming out. I'm Brock, and remember, the best places to eat are off the road.